Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Mini Trades back with another YouTube video, and today I wanted to go over SPY and how I played it for a 200% run. So straight to the video. Okay, so SPY right at open we had a massive dump, right? So I had some support and resistance levels drawn out from before. Now I have these drawn out because last time previously these work into play. So if you look at even today, they work perfectly, right? So if I look at the very first one right here, 390.33, right, this played out perfectly right at VWAP. So that means you have a confirmation of two things. You have VWAP, and then you also have this line drawn out from before, so that supports your thesis. But the play that I played today, right, which was from the bottom tick right here, the reason why I played it right here was because I had that line drawn out from before, and when I click the 4-hour chart and I go check out what that line is, which I did at the time, I noticed that, okay, this is where I alerted it today, and you notice that for the past, since the 12th, so right around 10 plus days, we can see that, okay, every time it came down here, it pretty much bounced, right? So when we came down to 387 area, we went to 409. When we came down to 387 area, we went to 397. So it reclaimed it here and then went to 407 plus again. So now it came back to this line again, and we have our thesis. All right, this is very strong support. And so when I look down here, okay, I need confirmation. So when I go back to the 1 minute, give me one sec. All right, so we see that the bottom tick right here, we see a lower wick holding it, right? And then you see it bounce, and then you see a little reversal, and then you see it bounce again. So that's a lot of confirmation, if it's holding 2 times, especially with SPY being super volatile. If it holds on the 5 minute too, which is a lot more confirmation. So that's what I was saying on live trading as well. So we need the 5 minute hold, right? So we get the 5 minute hold, and that's a lot more confirmation, a lot more than just the 1 minute, right? So we get the 5 minute hold, we lower wick, right? We touch the bottom of this blue line, which was our support area, and then we hold it and bounce. So right there was a cool 30-35%. I started scaling out at my first scale out point was at 15% a little bit, and then my next big scale out point was around 70%, and then I held until 145%, but these did go around 200%. So that was a little bit. Tomorrow's a new day. I don't really try to predict SPY too much, but this from what I see on the daily, I mean, it is kind of setting up. It's kind of, after it came down to the support area, it's been holding up. It did have a nice 380 dip and then kind of closed over it on the daily still. So we have this area where buyers keep stepping in, right? So 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. Now I do like this consolidation area. If this was a penny stock, I'd wait for a little bit more consolidation right here, and then I do believe that SPY is going to make a run pretty soon if we can continue to hold this area. That's a big if, right? So we need at least 3-4 days, or even 2-3 days of just holding this area so the chart can set up and then just break out after that. In that case, the 10 EMA would be broken, and a candle close over the 10 EMA, and this thing can start a reversal. So those are the couple key points that I played today, and I hope everyone made some money, and let's crush it again tomorrow. Peace.